Let's put your hands together for the new guest. Only the senior students will be going there. The rest will be sitting.
In our future days to come for this school. So now may I request to Executive Secretary to have a word of prayer. After that, I will request to our Honorable Sir Sabir Kumar Deborma to cut our ribbon for inaugurating our new building. And after that, we will be proceeding for unveiled the stone of inauguration.
Taibo warnanin mute warnan bagi apa kaito. Sini borong guna sini takut Sabir, takut kau ribbon cut lainnya apa kaito, nunggu bless kaito. Taibo building o cepuriner apa kaito pun visit kita blessing. Overflow manan bagi bless kaito. Babak di tanya apa, sudah macam sudah misal.
Amen.
Sanggup tay tangthogo sang tini school nok ketal manka. O school nok ketal op kita ramane bising tay tini o school je pori nai rok ni tay am sai ni borok te bo kaham ke pori manthon ni sing tini pal ke jotan buskango ang op kita no ramai.
Saltra Academy construction of additional classroom funded by Special Economic Development Package NLFP SD, inaugurated by Mr. Sabir Kumar Deborma, President NLFP SD, in the presence of Mr. Kajal Deborma, Information and Publicity Secretary NLP SD, Reverend Ranjit Deborma, Secretary SNBA, Reverend Vishwakumar Deborma, Secretary SNBA, Dedication Prayer Reverend Ranjit Deborma, Executive Secretary SNBA, on the 11th November 2022.
Please.
Please all these wheels.
On this will start.
Okay. Okay. Clear lagi? Yes. Okay. Nice.
Renok lu bujakana. Enggak kini bo o amsai simna division tini ni ya kai khangi ungko bain khulu bujaka. Abono ro lu kurang tabu tam kesana musuli ni bekhati rago.
Seng omoro belai ke khaksango te tongthogo sini sobani sini thuini sini kolong tini seng jeto phani baga seng samkhai pemani. And seng kabang rangman bo yakhano seng development package 100 crore man kha. O 100 crore ni bisingo seng zeman mani especially education sector na seng kamkai seng priority tongo and obahai kaino seng kabangma sara tripura kabangma area o seng rikha and tini o school na seng kita ramani bising thei seng school ni committee rokna yakhare himan mani bagai seng balai tongthogo seng balai khaksango tai seng poito khlai obo education actually sini borok education balai khai unglogo sujak aboni bagai education sini borok tese kahaman thon kaham ka sergi man thon nei seng obahai ki school seng private school okna sengri thon
Hatra sini tipra hasil okai besar jaga wo school rengno berjaga itu.
Tini sak jara sini pas sini puila je 40 crore ni seng je man mane 30 school seng obahai ke riu tong recover di and pai ma to 15 pai tong kha katai kichuta tong ko ka abo pai ti tong ko obahai ke no pai mane ya golo seng korno ya kare
bas kan salo ko tang pun deh hege tong nong bekakte dogo ni bekakte dogo sar
seng actually NLP SD puila ni sibino to khani bagai to hamkra ni bagai soba kai pai mane sini man thani bagai ga obahai ke no sini seng je 100 crore je seng man mane sara amsai kabang me area wo lukorokno je borok nango subasu obahai borokno seng ri tongo jotono to seng thagre oi ri manya ai pano seng je borok nangkugui tongo obahai borokno seng lutugoi riwo ga seng obono joto lukorokno sanani musungo en sini bakha obahai seng monsugoi tongo jeman sak seng subai thangnai tamni bagai hingai puilana seng semai kan thaka to pani sam khaina bagai oro phaibo jeman sak to pani bagai seng klai khana hene seng bakha seng songjak
যেটা সিমলা ডিভিশন নি বিসিঙ্গ স্কুল কাহামকু খনি সাইমা কাসং অরনি স্কুল পরিচালনা খাইনাই নি মুঙ্গ
এই স্কুল তো সালকা একাডেমি the principal kay Subhasis the Burma gate stalo ni bung to manya o am sayo balagan nango seng kam kay sio ngai bor ni classroom dok kaham kre ko school man man bising tai khak layo student te parent te oroni school committee rok kaham kay tongfokja kana khaksang kana ni seng wansugo kotor kabang riman ya phano je riman mane abaino khaksang kana ni seng wansugo
One, please continue clapping your hands.
That's it.
Kok saya kok ke seng belai khaksango tai tongthogo obahai kai seng salka academy o seng naithok kotor khai riman ya phana kluk sa school riman mane bagai seng sak na belai talika kaham nang wansugo seng NLFT SD hatai do phana hamjagai nok nukhung yakarai seng thangmani Thampoi warjagai wate manjagai jora mai mase ama tongmani aboni buthai seng tini mankha o buthai kaham school oro seng school seng riman mani bagai seng kaitono pipeline hambai maribo tai o school je rimani manmani obo NLFT je soba khlai phainai silai tui borok ni sini oro henei wansukya Norok jotto o hani tipra hani jotto borok ni suba mani bising teise seng tini obo mano norok ni suba mani kering gai seng Bharat Sarkar Tripura Sarkar dari NLFT rok sukti khai seng kichapana mangla khamon norok ni hamjak mani norok ni suba mani obuthai seng tini jotto mani seng tini tongthogo tai seng poito khlayo school rimani bising tei o school ni serai rok buma bufarok balai borok balai ke khaksang kana tongthok kana hanai tai sing sini sobani movement no kabang ma borok chubaka thekya o borong ni ngai bang tini moito khlai sanani musungo sing sini sobani jorawa kabang ma potrepot manjaka tokjaka keba thekya haibano sing tini tongthogo hatai do phani bagai sing sakno yaphare nikha o yapharmani bothaino sing manai tini nogoi sini je agi rogo sing masaya manai angai tongmarok no sing jotno pogoi thango tamni bagai hingai do phani bagai sing wansugoi thangmani ha do phano yok samari nani hinai abo manya phano sing sini borok ni bagai sing development ni sing je samung phuluk manmani sing balai ke khaksango tai balai ke tongthogo ang especially serai rok puila ni simi paithak jora khatung khaja kayai sering kayai disiplin ni bising tei tongoi tongmani bagai ang balai ke borok no bolanya ni musungu tai orni principal tai borok ni teacher staff borok naikolai naithok ke kaham kai khai talangmani bagai ang NLFT SG nenge norak jotono pipeline khaksangma sibai yaparo tai paithago ang jotono sanani musungu ta sini okarorok kabangma saka koikya paithak last program abo borok koikya ang approvo sai kelango sini bising tei sini bakhak tei rithane mungsak kebengya gai seng jotono no seng rinai te school bo seng rinai seng khasong tong tai omono karai sara Tripura nini ani henyawoi tama kesak tama kufur je borok ne manthai je borok mannani nango obahai borok no seng rioi tango tai next to baseng obahai kenya rinai gang tini hambai rinani musumani hingai state government tabuk ni je government tai central government borok nang balai ke pipeline hambai mario seng NLF PS dinengai government seng musum ya hingga kai seng tina orok phai norok be malai program tai school of seng norok be mangla khamon government khairok mani bagai bene hamjak ma tongmani bagai seng tina orok sok paikya tai abora karai tai bu moito mano norok kabang ma borok na khana kana Mizoram ni Zoram thanga nai botabok chief minister bobo seng haino jora kaisa bobo MNF silai te soba khlai phaika bini suba su manya hangkai seng sekpana seng phai makhang keseng kai seng phunugai mangala khamon bo kabang ma engel tai suba kha India ni kabang ma minister tai officer apna samane bising tai bini suba su no seng pok manya aboni bagai bojas jaga phana tongthon Mizoram jesa haksal panang thon jesa jaga phana seng bini kokno seng masao gai seng jotto suba mane bising tai kaisa tai kaisa hamjak lai mane bising tai seng moi school no naithok khayai tebo tisana ni bagai ang jotto no koyo tai school tini seng program ni bising tai kabang ma masamane resap mane seng nukha aboni bagai especially ang buma bufa hanai tongnai rokno ang alaida kai ang hambai rinan musungo ang paithak class or program purbo abono saikelango foundation chini nango nini foundation kring kan nang nok sugot tisai manya aboni bagai serai rokno seng phrengmani resapma masamani bini serengmani no karaino obono kaisa borokno phrengi tisamane abagai ang jotono sanane musungo taisa norokno balaka hambai ani no khungnengai ani mothanengai jesa jaga phano angthon seng kaham kreng tonglai manthon tai sini bagai bonorok sak sak ne kaitono suridi taibo samong kaham khlaiai seng sini dofani bagai khlai makhang keseng kai thangmana tai paithago sini media friend tai ane logi phainai jotto borokno pipeline hambai rewai ani kok orona mathaka hambai